Hello, this is Jim Phillips with Remember Veteran Grave Markers. I've been cleaning graves not a long time, but I've been watching a lot of videos, and I'd like to just kind of present to you what I would consider what's called the gold standard. What is the gold standard for cleaning? Well, the gold standard, or the objective, perhaps, is looking at these headstones out here at a federal cemetery. They're all white. They all look good. They're, some need some help, but generally speaking, they're all uniformly in the proper condition. They look good. Now, that is really kind of cool to be able to see that. When you go to a municipal or private cemetery, you don't get that very often. But I want to present to you one that I found in North Oregon Cemetery here in Lucas County that I would say is the gold standard for private and municipal cemeteries. This one is absolutely wonderful. It shows not only just a pristine stone, and the individual, his veteran, died in 1933, but it also shows somebody has been there to do something. So this is really astounding because not many veteran markers have look like this, let alone have visitation by people. And I'm saying that none of them do, but most of them that I've experienced, they don't get any visitors. Now, it is interesting, in the same cemetery, there are stones in rather deplorable conditions. You'll see next here. And this is not to condemn the cemetery. It's just because they do mowing and weed whacking. They don't clean stones. It's up to us to do that. And I'm asking you to take a look at, what are we trying to achieve? We're trying to achieve a level of recognition that honors the veteran. And the one that you see right here does that. So what would you want to do if you had a veteran in your family and their grave was close by? Wouldn't you like their headstone to look just like it came out of the box, brand new, and it gives honor to his service or her service? So I want to leave you with that. The gold standard for cleanliness and the objective for look is what you see here. But I want to raise that one notch, is to show the one that I have shown from North Oregon Cemetery, and it's this one here. Raise the bar, pursue that. And we want to preserve, honor, and remember our veterans. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.